I'm Kathy Anderson, and I'm going to take you on a really quick tour of my studio. Now I'm going to take this camera, and here we go. So I'm going to give a plug to my son, Ben Anderson, who actually built my studio for me. This was my old studio. It's a greenhouse area where I just sit and have my plants around. And this is just a wall where I have a lot of paintings, some by artist friends, and some of my paintings from trips. There's a Cuba painting I see. Here's a painting I started last year, and I'm waiting for the poppies to bloom before I can work on it again. So you come around this way. And by the way, I did not clean my studio, because if I had to clean my studio, I would never have done this. And oops, a kitty bed. That's my kitchen. And now you come actually into the studio. This is the studio that my son built for me. It's the addition. And it's beautiful and so comfortable, but I have already outgrown it. So here's my flat file and G. Clay of our wonderful dear departed Everett Raymond Kinsler, and then piles and piles of unfinished paintings. My books, of which I have a million art books, and coming into the part where I have all the roses for the painting I'm working on right now, which I'll show you. Here's a painting that I started last year, and I am now about to get back to it because all of these flowers are blooming again right now. Basically, just every artist studio, right? Crappy studies that you don't even know why you're keeping, some half-finished paintings, fun things. This is something I did with Dave Santianas this couple of months ago. Here's two finished paintings, and of course I'm just going to take you over here. This is where I sit and look at my art books and look who's there, my precious. And I just shipped out paintings to Gallery 1261, so the wall's kind of bare right now because I don't have things framed. And to end this tour is the painting, whoops, there you go. The painting I'm working on right now. Here's my setup. Here's the painting, the block-in. And as soon as I stop, I am going to work on it with my wine. Lovely monitor with an arm that's just fabulous. I can turn it vertically or horizontally. And view out my back window, which I close the shade. I'll be closing the shade to work on this painting. But there's the daffodils from my garden, and some tulips, not from my garden. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. I think I bounced around a lot. Oh well. I'm going to see if I can turn this. No, I can't. Okay.